and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you people are doing well. So here I am with our new and very interesting video, and this time I have selected some of the important science formula. Okay, important formula from the science, some of the chapters which have numerical problems. Okay, so if you know these formulae properly, you can easily solve them. Okay, it's just the data substitution in the proper formula, you will get the answers. Okay, and also I will tell the SI units of those quantities. So generally you have three chapters which have these formulae, like first is electricity, then you have in light, reflection and refraction chapter, and some of them are in carbon and compounds, carbon and its compounds. So I'm going to provide the list of all the formula required in this chapter. Okay, and the PDF of this will be available on my Telegram as well as the WhatsApp group. So you have not, if you have not joined it yet, kindly do it. The link is there in the description box. Okay, so let us start with electricity. Okay, so in electricity, okay, you have first is electric current. Okay, and that is denoted by I, and I is equal to what? It is Q by T. Okay, I is equal to charge by time, rate of flow of charge. I will write what is I, Q and T laterwards, or let me write it here itself. I refers to electric current, okay, and Q refers to charge, T refers to time. Okay, and here I will write the unit also. It is A, it refers to ampere. The A should be smaller when you write it. Okay, here charge, it is C, which refers to coulomb. Okay, and T refers to, it is for second. Okay, its unit is second. So this is the first formula. Second is you have voltage. It is represented by V. V is equal to, it is W by Q. Okay, the rate of the amount of work done to move a charge from one point to another. And this V is also called as potential difference. So I will write it here. V is voltage or potential difference. Okay, it's very important. If you know this basic formula, you can solve all the problems related to them. And this is capital V. Pardon me if I have write it smaller one. Okay, so it is capital V. Its unit is what? Yes, it is capital V, volt. Okay, and you have to write it in small letter. And W is, once again, it is either work done or the energy required. Okay, both of the unit is joule. Okay, Joule. And Q is, once again, it is charge. Okay, unit is coulomb. Next, third formula is Ohm's law. Okay, based on Ohm's law, you have, what is this? V is equal to IR. Okay, where V is voltage, I is current, and R is electrical resistance. Okay, it is electrical resistance, and its unit is SI unit is ohm. This is the symbol, and it is written as OHM. Okay, after this you have electrical resistivity. It is denoted by rho. This is read as rho. Okay, RHO, and it is equal to what? Ra, resistance of the conductor, into area, its area of the cross section of conductor, and L is length of the conductor. So I will write it here. R is what? It is electrical resistance, same. A is area of the cross section. Okay, area of the cross section of the conductor, and its unit is meter square, or sometimes they will use centimeter square. And L is the length of conductor. okay, length of the conductor, and its unit is what? It is meter, okay. And this rho, okay, it is read as rho, rho, and it is called as electrical resistivity, electrical resistivity, and its unit is ohm meter, okay. This is its unit. So after this we have next formula is when the resistors are in series, okay, resistors in series, okay, like this. If there are three resistors, so the total resistance will be equal to sum of all these three, r1 plus r2 plus r3, okay. If this is resistance in 1, 2 and 3, then total resistance is sum of these three, okay. And here you have to remember this thing, I remains same, current is same, and voltage is different, okay. So keep this in mind. Next is number 5, sorry, number 6, and this time it is resistors in parallel, okay. So if they are connected like this, okay, if they are connected like this, and this is r1, this is r2 and this is r3, then you have 1 by rp, that is resistance in parallel, is equal to 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3, okay. And here what remains same? Yes, in parallel I is different, okay, and v is same, okay. So you have to remember, and same, its unit is ohm only, okay. Next is number 7, and this time it is power. So see, electrical power P can be written in three form: V is equal to I, voltage is equal to current. It can also be written as, when you use this Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, okay. So when you replace V by IR, this becomes I square into R. When you replace I by I as V by R, this becomes V square by R. So these are the same formula with three different, when I is given, when only V is given, okay. So it's P, which means electrical power, okay, electric power or electrical power, and its unit is, sorry, and its unit is capital W, that is watt, okay. SI unit I'm telling, okay. After this, the last one among this is, it is 8th, and it is H is equal to V into I into T. This is heat dissipated, okay, when current is flowing through a conductor, and this is I square RT. This is Joule's law, okay, Joule's law of heating. Both of them are same, but since again they have used this formula here, and they have substituted V is equal to IR, so this becomes I square R and T, okay. Joule's law of heating. What is H here? It is the amount of heat, so heat energy, you can just write heat energy dissipated, okay. Its units is joule, okay. It is Joule. All these units should be written in small letters, but their symbol is capital one, okay. So this much you have to remember. And one more thing is this one unit electrical energy, 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. You have to remember this also, and that is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 joule. So if you remember these 8 set of formulae, you can easily solve all the problems given in your exam from the chapter electricity. Okay, so this is first thing. And one more thing you have to remember is the instruments used to measure current, voltage, resistance and all. Okay, so for current it is ammeter, for voltage it is voltmeter, and to change the resistance we have rheostat. Okay, so you can remember them all. Next is coming to chapter light. So it is light, reflection and refraction. So here first thing you have is mirror formula. Okay, I will write it here. 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. I will tell you what are these V, U and F towards this side. And then you have magnification. M is equal to, for mirror I am writing it is H dash divided by H or minus V divided by U. Okay, and to get F you have radius of curvature formula, R is equal to 2F. Okay, so these three are very important. Now, and what is this symbols? V is what, U is what, F is what, H dash, H, M and R. Okay, so V is called as image distance. Image distance. U is called as object distance. I have made a separate video on this chapter. I have explained about the size, nature of the image. Okay, how are you going to identify whether it is same, enlarged or diminished, real or virtual? I'm not going to explain that here. For that I have made a separate video, you can watch it from there. F is focal length of the mirror. Okay, focal length. H dash, see this is like image, so I refers to image, so it is height of the image, you can remember like that, height of the image. And H is height of what, object, yes, height of object. Then you have M. M refers to the magnification. Okay, it refers to magnification. Then R is radius of curvature. Okay, radius of curvature. Okay, now this is mirror formula. I will write lens formula here itself. Lens formula. It is similar, but the only difference is here 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So you have to remember, okay? Minus, if there is minus, then it is lens formula. And for magnification, here you have H dash by H, that is same. But when you take V by U, it is positive, not negative. Okay? And one more thing you have to remember here, F is positive for convex lens, okay, and it is negative for concave lens. Okay, I will write here lens. And the last formula is power. Okay, power of the lens, which is denoted by P, which is equal to 1 by F. Okay, and its unit is diopter, capital letter D, but it has to be written in the small one, diopter. Okay, so these many formula are there from this chapter. Okay, I will name them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is 6. Okay, and once again this V, U, F, H dash, B and all refers to the same. Okay, next moving to the last chapter, and that is very small, carbon and compounds. Okay, so I will tell you what you have to remember here, carbon and its compounds. Okay, so first thing, alkanes. You have to remember the formula of alkanes. It is CnH2n plus 2. Then you have alkene. Okay, here it will become CnH2n. And third is alkyne. So here the formula is CnH2n minus 2. Okay, where N is number of carbon atom. What is N? It is number of carbon atom. Now they will sometimes they will give meth. Okay, it means, for example, if they give methane, it means number of carbon atom is 1. Okay, for ethane I'll just write eth, N is 2. For prop, N is 3. For but, N is 4. Okay, then you have pen. Okay, N is 5. And last is, there are many but I will write till here only, hex. You have N is 6. So you just add this ANE, ENE, YNE. They become methane, methene, methine, ethane, ethene, ethine. Okay, if there is something like that. And these are always single bonds, these are double bonds, and these are triple bonds. And one more important is or one more important compound is benzene. So you have to remember the formula of this, both molecular and structural. It is C6H6. Okay, so if you remember these things, your carbon and compounds chapter will also become easy. And one more thing is those functional groups, OH, then COOH, then you have CHO. Okay, this is for alcohols, this is for carboxylic acid. Okay, and this is for aldehyde. Okay, so these are the important ones I have taken here. If I missed something, you can refer the textbook. So these are the 3 chapters which I thought the formulas given here are very important. So I have tried to cover all the formulas from these chapters. So try to learn them well. Okay, they are important for your exam. And if you find this video useful, kindly do like, comment and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. We'll see you all in my next video. Till then, take care, bye, prepare well for your exam, and thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section.